Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making a vanilla strawberry crunch cream cheese pound cake. Y'all, this is quite possibly the most delicious thing I have ever made in my entire life. If you're interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, don't forget to look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. I'm going to do a quick voiceover to let you guys know the order in which to place everything in the mixer bowl, but the full recipe will be down below in the description box. So we're starting by creaming together the butter and the cream cheese. Now we're going to add the granulated sugar to the bowl. Once we add the sugar, we're going to let the mixer run for about 10 minutes until it becomes nice and fluffy and it lightens in color. Once we reach that point, we're now going to move on to adding the vanilla extract. Once that's well combined, we're going to begin to add our eggs one at a time. Once I add an egg, I like to wait for the yolk to break before moving on to adding the next. So after this, I like to turn the mixer off, scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl just to make sure that everything is getting well combined. Once I've done this, I turn the mixer back on and I gradually add the flour mixture. Since we don't have any milk, we won't be alternating. So again, just slowly add the flour mixture until you have everything in the bowl. Once I've added the flour and I let the mixer run for a bit to get everything well combined, I turn the mixer off, scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl again, and turn the mixer back on for just a minute. Here we have the bundt pan that we're going to bake the cake in. So I'm going to generously spray with Baker's Joy. All right, so we are now going to start to layer the cake. I'm going to start with some cake batter, half of it. Then I'm going to swirl in some of this strawberry glaze. I didn't record myself making it in this video. I have done so in another video, so check the description box for the link and the timestamp. So we're going to start by adding half of the batter. Now I'm going to take a spoon and add dollops of the strawberry glaze. I'm going to take a toothpick and go in. I'm careful not to touch the bottom of the pan as I do this, but I'm just going through with a swirl motion. All right, so now the next thing we're going to do, the actual thing that inspired this recipe. I have some strawberry crunch left over from a video I recorded. So on top of this, I'm going to add a layer of the strawberry crunch topping. This wasn't recorded in this video either, but again, I will leave a link to my making this in the description box below. I am going to save some to put on top of the cake once I glaze it. All right, so now we're going to go in with the rest of the cake batter. So I'm now going to go in with some more of the strawberry glaze. All right, so I am going to bake this at 310 degrees. It will need, I'm guessing, anywhere from an hour 20 to an hour 40 minutes. I will check it at the 1 hour mark, but I'll let you guys know how long it takes in my oven when I remove it. Here's the cake after 1 hour 30 minutes in the oven. I'm going to hang out in the pan for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'll turn it out onto a cake board. It smells so good, y'all, and this swirl is so pretty. I almost want to keep this side up instead of having it on the bottom. We'll see though. So even though the cake will be topped with a glaze, I do want to leave this side up. So I'm going to turn it out on a plate and then flip it back over onto the cake board. All right, so now we have the cake upright. I'm gonna let this hang out and completely cool, so it'll be here for about an hour. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and make the glaze. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Now we're gonna make our glaze, and here I have 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. I'm adding a splash of vanilla extract, and I'm going to slowly add in milk. All right, so this is the consistency I want the glaze to be. So our cake is fully cool now, so we're gonna go ahead and finish it up. So here is our cake completely cooled. I'm gonna start adding the glaze. So here's our strawberry. And here is the strawberry crunch.
Don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to? Do I really want you when you know that I do?
All right, so let me clean this up a bit and I'll bring you guys in for a closer shot. We have made it to the end of the video. Here we have our finished product, our vanilla strawberry crunch cream cheese pound cake. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, I ask that you also look down below, smash that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. Also give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section. I love to hear from you guys. I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.
It's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for, 'cause you don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard. You think I care about money when I just helped you get ready for your